Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about resolving an issue you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer when attempting to sign in using your PIN, and since it's no longer available due to a change in the security setting on this device, you can set up your PIN again by going to Settings, Accounts, and then Sign In Options. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign in using your password, and then go into your File Explorer icon. So just go ahead and open it up in your taskbar, or you can search for it in the search menu. And then you want to select this PC on the left panel here, and then double click on your drive where Windows is installed. It should be indicated by a little Windows icon above the hard drive. Go ahead and double click on that. Now you want to do the same thing for this Windows folder. Double click on that. And then go down to Service Profiles and double click on that as well. Should be a local service folder in here. Double click on that. Select Continue if you need to have administrator permissions to proceed. And then you want to go underneath Local Service, double click on the App Data folder. If you do not see an App Data folder, select the three-dot icon over here and select Options. Select the View tab and select Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives and select Apply and OK. Now with the now visible app data folder, double click on that and go underneath the local folder and then Microsoft. Now you want to locate a value in here or a folder that says NGC. You want to right click on this folder and select Properties. And now you want to select the Security tab and then select the Advanced button. In the owner field, select the change button. Type in everyone in this field, select check names, and then select OK. And then checkmark replace owner on subcontainers and objects, and then select apply. Select yes, select OK, select OK again. And then once that is done, go ahead and select OK, and then close out of here, and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Now if you attempt to set or create a PIN on your Windows account, you should not be having that issue any longer. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.